Welcome, today in front of me XIAOMI 11T Pro, and I'll show you how to change home screen transition on this device. So first, just press with your finger for a while on your screen, and right there you will see the settings icon on the right down corner of your phone. Tap here, and right there you will see the transition effects section. And right now you can just select one from these animations. For example, I will go in with this one. Just here tap to done, and now you can see that our animation has changed successfully. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.